Welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how you can give access to your channel without sharing your password or sharing any of your information, right? So we're just going to dive right into it. One of the things that YouTube prefers, and that's why they set it up like that, is that you're not handing out your personal password for persons to access your account. They're quite aware that busy persons are here creating all the time and they want persons to take the load off. I do that for my client and they don't have to share any of their password with me, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to YouTube Studio. We're going to click on the logo, which is right here, and then we're going to go down to Studio. From there we're going to go over to Settings, which is here, and then Permission. And in this section, this is where you get to invite. You can click invite. In this case, okay, I'm gonna click invite, and then you can add whomever email address you need to be working with. You add their email address right here, and then you give them access level. There are different access levels. They're managers and they can view everything, manage, permission, go live. They can create, they can edit, they can delete content. And sometimes you have to delete a content. If you end up putting up the content, you realize, oh, there was an error and I have to delete. The managers that have to delete from time to time. Make sure it's persons that you trust. Then you have the editor. The editor can view everything. They can go live. They can create and edit content. They can't manage permission or delete the content. You have editor limited. You have subtitle editor. All of these are right here. When you come on the channel, you can just read and see which one is best, which one is the best fit for the person that you're going to be working on your channel. All right, and that is it. This is just a quick video to show you how to give permission to somebody you want to work on your channel to take a load off. All right, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. We really need to hear from you. We really need the feedback, so do that, and we'll see you in the next video.